In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Twilio with HubSpot. This is a quick setup, and once it's done, you'll be able to connect Twilio with your HubSpot account directly through the marketplace. I'll walk you through the process in a simple, clear way so you can follow along without missing anything. To get started, log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you have access to install integrations, since some HubSpot permissions can affect what you're able to do. Once you're signed in and on your main HubSpot dashboard, take a moment to confirm that everything has fully loaded before moving on. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the marketplace icon. This is where HubSpot keeps its available apps and integrations, so if you've never used it before, think of it as the central place for connecting third-party tools to your account. After you click it, you'll be taken to the marketplace area where you can browse or search for the app you need. From there, search for Twilio. Use the search bar to type in Twilio and then look through the results until you find the correct integration. It's a good idea to double-check the app name before clicking, just to make sure you're selecting the official listing and not something unrelated. Once you find Twilio, open the integration page to review the install option. Now click Install. At this point, HubSpot will prompt you to sign in as part of the connection process. This step is important because it allows the integration to link your Twilio account with HubSpot securely. Enter your login details when prompted and follow the on-screen instructions to continue. If your browser blocks pop-ups or redirects, you may need to allow them temporarily so the sign-in window can open properly. After signing in, continue with the prompts shown on screen until the installation process is complete. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on account settings or updates to the interface, but the overall flow stays the same. As long as you've logged into HubSpot, opened the marketplace, searched for Twilio, and selected install, you're in the right place. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of integrating Twilio with HubSpot. If you're setting this up for the first time, take an extra moment afterward to verify that the connection appears in your installed apps so you know everything was linked successfully.